This is Charlie in his finished form, and I've programmed him to do this. I know this might not seem very special, unless you realize that from the previous preview I've shown you, I'm controlling him with this. I can control him by moving this around. And yeah, it works. So that's really cool. It's really sensitive, so even if I nudge the stick slightly, he goes off and moves. But it's amazing. It's really fun to play around with. Sometimes you have to be careful about if you have to move it directly forward or directly right, because even if it's off course slightly, then he starts spinning around and causing all sorts of havoc. So the trick is to just look at the controller when you're moving it forward. See? Straight. And perfectly straight. Yes, that's what you can do. Charlie out.